Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka arpoi terek unailar. Kawai niki company bapenya yau ki kali jongka hakani kanong ba Shillong. Kalau yo berpelat ba saya kawai ka model Thymmai jongka company Renault. Haka jelang ka balalong ha showroom jongka Renault ka badan hapo mobile Shillong. Layo ban pelat ba ya ka model Thymmai jongka Kwid ka badai ka automatic gear. Ya kani ka kali la pelat ba da wai niki sipai bala song tha nakakam u Anan Kumar Thapa baralong kum sembor kongsan haka jelang rengkat ka jiran lang u director jongka ni ka showroom u Kailash Goenka ka sales manager jongka ni company ka Jessica Kwal tu bat QA.
Renault is a very famous brand. It is a 120 years old brand, and it has done a lot of innovation in terms of technology, design, as well as won many hearts of the customer in the world. It has also innovated many technologies. First in segment, say the 7-inch touchscreen display with navigation system, the steering mounted control, and also the hatchback. It is also the second oldest car manufacturer in the world. The new feature design is the front look. Now it comes along with the chrome design along with the black finish, which gives it more agile and stylish look. And also we get this C-shaped headlamps along with the fog lamps. And also we get under this bonnet a 1000cc engine which produces 68 bhp of power and 91 Nm of torque. And also let's not forget about the mileage, which comes in concern among most of our customers. It gives out a mileage of 24 km per liter. Comparing to its competitors, Renault Kwid produces a good mileage and as well as a good power. So as we proceed inside we get the changes of upholstery as well as the seat design and as well as the interior design integrated with chrome finish. Say the door unlock and the AC vent surround with chrome, and as well as the middle infotainment system has also been upgraded with the chrome finish.